You got this.
My ass is stuck.
It is a Friday afternoon in Bangkok, and we are on our way to the airplane graveyard, otherwise known as the airplane boneyard.
Very American.
How's that American?
Is that not American?
No. A boneyard? Anyway, we got a taxi from the BTS, and we should be there in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Bangkok is very unpredictable when it comes to traffic.
Should we show them the little table and chairs we got in the taxi? There it is.
Just in case we get tired. For some reason Google Maps told us like the totally wrong place to go, so this is a massive failure. It's fine, we'll just get another taxi.
Are we saying 100 each? Second taxi.
A little bit more sweaty, but we're gonna get there in the end.
We arrived after about 30 minutes. Not so bad. Oh my god. Okay, so to get in, there's a family that lives here, and you actually pay them to get in. And I've heard different prices, so you can barter with them.
You can barter with everything in Thailand.
Yeah, fair.
Can't lie, something like 200 baht to get in, which is like £5?
$6?
$6.
Yeah. That like tiny little hole there.
They're not lit. I don't think I can fit on this.
We are about to find out. Okay, these like flats are not there last time I was there.
You might want to take your bag off, Katie. Okay, so I'm about to. Don't make sudden sounds like that.
Huh? Oh, I love this. Wrong way. Go back. Ew, it's so sweaty.
Sorry.
Is like glass shards, so don't touch those. Oh, we can go up one more. Oh, there's like trumpets playing. I thought it was literally like a herd of wasps. They're not bad. So when you come, be sure to bring water, because we did not. That moment when you think your purse is gone, but it's actually on the floor. Kit just fell through the ceiling. You okay up there? I have no idea what he just said, but he did not sound happy saying it. And you can see they have all like the luggage bins are still like very intact. We are now entering the cockpit.
Lopsided. Oh wait. Almost just died. It's like tipped. So don't stand there. Don't stand there.
So when you come, you might want to wear like trousers, because I'm saying trousers, not pants. I've been spending too much time with you. No?
No, it's like where it's like rained. It's. We just tried to go to those planes over there, but where it rained last night, it's sort of gone all swamp-like, so maybe we'll come back here another day when it's not so rainy.
Apparently, every ding ding is different in every 7-Eleven.
So considering that we've been living in Bangkok for, well, I've been living in Bangkok for 5 months, you think I remember to bring water to a place like the airplane graveyard, but
Never.
no. So Kelly just tried to get a taxi and failed.
I've lived at Plon Chit for ages and I cannot say it. Plon Chit. And I'm always like, Plon Chit, and they're like,
Plon Chit.
Oh.
Lighting's actually quite flattering on you. So we've decided to take a break and get a coffee and some food at this cool type little cafe called, what's it called?
Mayu. Pretty. Is that just a latte?
So we were going to take you to Pat Pong, but Bangkok being typical Bangkok, the weather has just switched on us and it's raining.
Pat Pong Night Market. So naturally, as soon as we're about to leave, it starts pouring down rain. So our next impossible feat is to figure out how to get from here to the BTS SkyTrain without getting wet. Don't think that's happening, but wish us luck. Thank you for watching, and get ready to discover more of Bangkok as soon as it stops raining.
If you want to see more videos about travelling, we're going to be in Bangkok for the next few months. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.
How do I do that? Not lame.
Okay, go again.
Okay.
This is what happens when it rains in Bangkok and you don't have an umbrella. Improvisation.
Bye.